I just launched a free YouTube course giving away everything that you need to grow your YouTube channel to 100,000 subscribers in 2024. This is the same information that helped me grow from 0 all the way to 10,000 subscribers in only 3 months. And now I'm giving it all away to you completely for free. Once you understand the strategies that top YouTubers are using to blow up right now, you can see results like this, this, and this. And you won't be able to find this information anywhere else. Because the real ways to grow on YouTube fast are typically gatekept behind a $3,000 paywall. But my mission is to take 1,000 people to over 100,000 subscribers completely for free. And I truly believe that everyone should have access to equal education. And that's why I've spent hundreds of hours, thousands of dollars, and years of my own experience creating this full YouTube course with over 20 hours of content. And if you go through this course, you will have all of the information that you need to take your channel from this to this. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly what you'll learn, how to get access, and what you can expect to see after going through this course. In the first module alone, you'll learn everything on high-level YouTube strategy. We go over how to pick a niche that is both profitable and long-term. Then we'll break down the different styles of content that you need to be making in order to go viral. In the next lesson, we'll go over how to uniquely brand your channel to gain an edge on your competitors. Lastly, I show you what time and how much to post so you can get the most views possible on your videos. In Module 2, I show you how to make your title and thumbnail as attractive as possible so that people can't resist but click on your video. We go over the different ideation strategies, how to use AI for YouTube, and we even have a live thumbnail masterclass done by a professional thumbnail designer showing you the start to finish process of creating a killer YouTube thumbnail. In Module 3, we go over how to make viewers watch longer through script writing. And I can guarantee that there will be some new information that you have never heard before, even if you're a professional. We go over how to write an intro that keeps viewers past the dreaded 30-second mark, the different storytelling structures you need to model in order to keep people engaged, and 3 advanced copywriting techniques that are key to growing on YouTube. In Module 4, we cover how to set up a filming studio and the 3 camera settings that you need to understand to have your footage look like this. We also cover one of the most overlooked parts of YouTube, how you sound on camera. We have an entire module on tonality and vocal training to make your videos more interesting to the viewer. In Module 5, we show you how to turn your raw footage into a 1 million view masterpiece. This one is all about editing. We go over the 3 softwares that you should use, how to cut your video the right way, and how to add B-roll and sound effects to spice up the pacing. I even have my own editor who's editing this video right now. Hey Andrew, go in and do an entire live masterclass on how he's able to make animations like this, and this, so that you can too. In Module 6, we dive deep into your analytics. We go over how to analyze retention graphs to see where viewers are dropping off, how to measure CTR to determine when you should change your title and thumbnail, and how to zoom out on your audience to get a wider view of who you're actually making content for. In the final module, we cover everything to do with money. We show you all of the monetization methods that you can use to turn YouTube into your full-time career. And we don't just cover the basics like AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliates. We also dive deep into the more advanced business models like coaching, courses, and agencies. And using these more advanced but smarter business models can allow you to achieve complete financial freedom. Because once you understand how to monetize correctly, you can make a lot of money with not that many subscribers. Just like one of my clients, Joel Kaplan, who made over $6 million last year with only 200,000 subscribers. And if you're already making over $100,000 a month and want to partner with me to grow your personal brand, then I'll leave a link for that in the description. This course is a masterclass on YouTube growth. And those who take it seriously will be the future creators of the next decade. You can easily take all of the information in this course and apply it to get your first 1,000, 10,000, or 100,000 subscribers, all in the next 12 months. But Lyndon, how are you able to give all of this away for free? I already run a multiple 6-figure creator business, so I don't necessarily need to make the most amount of money possible from my audience. Instead, right now, my goal is to provide the most value possible to the largest number of people. And while I could have definitely made 6 figures selling this course, I believe in equal access to education, and I know giving it away for free will have the biggest impact on the future of YouTube. And no, this is not some course that we whipped up in a few days. I have spent the last 3 months working every single day to make this course better than 99% of other YouTubers' paid courses. And if you don't believe me, I challenge you to go buy another creator's course and then come back and compare it to mine. And I can almost guarantee you that you will find more value here. But I do have to warn you, 99% of people never take action. So even though our free course shows you everything that you need to know to grow on YouTube, if you never go out and post your first video, you will never see results. So if you are serious about growing on YouTube in 2024, it is extremely important that you pay attention to all of the information in the modules. And after you finish watching, take massive action. And I can promise you, it will change your life. So with that in mind, welcome to the Amplify Views course, where I'm going to show you step by step how to grow your YouTube channel from 0 all the way to 100,000 subscribers so that you can turn it into your full-time career and make money doing something that you love. To get access to the course, all you have to do is click the first link in the description and sign up. Once you're accepted into the group, go ahead and navigate over to the Classroom tab and click on the free course. From here, start by watching the Welcome module because it shows you everything that you need to know before you dive into the lessons. With that said, I am beyond excited for you to see all of the fruits of me and my team's labor. We have seriously poured our hearts and souls into this course, and it's been so surreal to see the support from you guys. Thank you, and I will see you on the other side.